Hi guys. Hi guys. Actually, there was a power cut in society, so I was disconnected. Okay. So I think everyone of you have this syllabus, right? So I think that we need not to discuss that syllabus, but quickly I'll show you that first I will cover the Java. Okay. But I will ask you one thing today that tomorrow what happens? Suppose I am in this screen here, then I cannot see that I was disconnected. So if any time in this session, uh, if that happens in future also, then you need to do one thing, just call me because I am focusing here. I cannot see this screen that I have disconnected, and here you can see like this net is actually not showing me disconnected. Okay. Actually I am not focusing, so this happens sometimes. So I will ask you, please one of you can call me and then I will understand that I was disconnected. Okay. So this happened today. In Usually it not happens, but if it happens then please do that. Okay. So this what I discussed with you, right? And you all are aware of these things, right? Then we will start from Java, right? Installation of the software. I'm all right. Yes, you are able to hear me. Okay. So we will start from the Java, right? And then we'll cover the basics of the Java, then if else, switch case, loops, nested for, while, do while, array, and multi-dimensional array. Okay. So we will cover everything, and everything is required for Selenium. Nothing is garbage which I have written, right? Even if you think after completing course that's why you have covered this and this was not needed, let me know. Not any topic is garbage here. Garbage I already filtered, right? So whatever written here will be needed in Selenium, and I will cover that much is needed. Okay. Modifiers, then of course we'll have to understand the what are the modifiers, declaring objects and then overriding, overloading. All OOPS concepts will be covered. There will be mini project, assignment, mock interview, right? Collection, of course, collection is the most important topic in any programming language, not only in Java. Okay. Because without data structure we cannot assume any project, any framework, any code, right? If it is written without any framework, without any collection, then that's actually garbage code, right? And that is actually bad code. So we have to practice. Although these topics are not too simple but not also too tough, this depends on how much you practice. Okay. And these are screenshot of some assignments that you will also be getting. Then we will start from Selenium, right? And in Selenium we will covering everything, right, from very basic, not like we are jumping in. Even Java also we will cover it from very basic and we'll be going to advanced level, so you should be able to handle your project at your responsibility. You will not ask for any help in your company, right? And then locators, this is the most strong part of the system, and the Selenium is actually 50% is locator. There are some tools also. Here we write locators just by writing our code, right? We understand the concept, then we write the code. Just I am telling about locators in Selenium, that these are some you need to write from your actually logic, right? Your some syntax you have to follow to write the locators. But there are some tools which will do you this for manually, right? You just right click, and then you can copy the export for that element. You understand? In any website you go, suppose in google.com, this text box is actually element, right? Once I click on this drop down open, this is actually a element, right? So this is drop down, right? So just like this, we have elements in and which are written in HTML form. So we need to locate those elements, and for though we need to write actually locator. Locator is actually address. Suppose if I tell you that you go there, so you will ask where? Give me the address. Just like this, if you have to automate any, just like this is the link. If you have to click on this and you need to write any automation script for this, then first of all, in this whole web page, you have to come here, right? And this will have some address, some locator. So that locator you will write by using uh, these attributes, right? And for doing this, there are some tools also present, which is Selectors Hub, ChromePath, and Chrome DevTools. Why explaining here? Because in next Sunday, we are going to organize a session with the guy who created this. His name is Sanjay Kumar, who created this Selectors Hub. He also created the Crow Path as well, but this Crow Path he stopped this service for this, right? So this time we are not considering this Cropath in our course because stopped giving the support for this tool. And same person has designed this selectors hub, extended version of Cropath. So we are having a session with him, and he will explain you why selectors hub is too much popular nowadays. And he is actually a freelancer. He is working from home, and uh, he's just helping the automation community, right? So we just had a discussion last week for you guys to organize a session. So I will ask you to be present in that session. Please, everybody present, because the person like him doesn't much have too much time. Just because I said that if you will explain, it will be better. He is joining to us, right? And it's a great honor for us and you that we will be having session with him, right? So we are organizing the session next Sunday, same in class time. Okay. So he will be explaining you about this tool, and throughout my session as well, I will be focusing too much in this tool, right? But when I consider anything, the drawback of any tool, not only this selector sub, drawback is that like he stopped giving support on ChromePath, tomorrow will stop giving support in selector sub. So should we dependent on any tool? No, we should know basics, just like for an example, we have GitHub to push our code, right? GitHub.com site. We have that to push our code. There are some tools, Eclipse plugin that right click and push your code manually in GitHub. But those tools may be old tomorrow, something new come, then you have to learn that tool again. Better to go for the command prompt, right? So that's why I will also be covering Chrome Dev Tools. And frankly, I am speaking, my lots of practice is with the Chrome Dev Tools, right? Selectors Hub is just 1 year old tool, okay? But why this is needed to learn? Because sometimes you're not able to locate the elements, and your client is pushing you, just complete this task. So then you can take help of this tool. Sorry guys, actually today here it's power cut, so it disconnected two times. Usually it not happens, but today it's happening. I don't know why. So again, sorry for that. So what I was explaining about selector sub, like I got disconnected at that time only because at that time I was in this screen. So usually this interruption not happens here, but in societies once we got disconnected, then what happens? It actually light came in within 5 minutes. My I have 5G connection, so what happens that 5G connection takes too much time to reconnect, means 5 to 7 minutes. Usually other Wi-Fi is connected just within 1 or 2 minutes. Just light came and that you will be connected, but this 5G connection is actually too late. Okay, so that's why this interruption is happening here. So I was discussing about the selector sub. Okay, so we are having next Sunday session with the Sanjay. Saturday usual classes will be there, right? I'll be taking session 10 to 12, but in Sunday he will be coming first and he will be delivering to you. And the next session, uh, maybe if time will be left, I will be forwarding your course same day. Okay, so I'll present the screen and let me know if you can see. Okay, so here I hope you understand what I am saying. Okay, now let start doing the things which are necessary for learning this course, because we are too much discussing this, which is not good. Okay, so this is the link to download the Eclipse. Okay, you can also download from the global platforms, like this is the one. I will provide you the this PDF written by me only, so you can get these softwares latest version as well. But what happens, why I will give you software with the links to download, because some of the people are using the older versions, right? So just like Sanjay Kumar stopped service for the Cropat plugin, Windows application, actually Microsoft has also stopped giving support for the older Windows versions, like for Windows 7. So sometimes is in Windows 7 you will not uh, get insta things in correct way, so you should have the latest version. Why we should think too much for these things, right? Because we came here to learn the coding, so our focus should be coding. Doesn't matter which software I am using, which version I am using, I have to write the code, right? And that code should be supported in the given version, and that is there, right? So I am giving you the link, just directly download software with those links, so everyone will be having in same platform, then it will be easy to learn, right? Everybody will be using different versions, then maybe your older versions of the screen we are not going too much, right? So here Java 8 I am giving to you, and Eclipse Luna version I am giving to you. If you have already installed and working system, don't disturb that, right? Just keep it same. But if you don't have, then whatever I am giving to you, it is suggested to install that. And if you want to install the latest version, I will give you the PDF file, and I will also explain you, right, all the things I will be doing here. So who doesn't have installed, then just I am giving you the Eclipse link first. Okay, let me give you JDK link first. Then I will tell you how to set up the path and why we are setting up the path. Then we need to know, because tomorrow is something, my system is actually formatted. So you should know that if I have again set up my system, again install the Windows, then why should we set up the path? And you should know that, right? So here this is the link for the JDK. Yeah, you are asking something, Hemant. Sorry, syllabus. I will provide you. I will provide you the syllabus in group. Okay, you will be in group. I will just forward you. Many times I forwarded already, but I will be giving you. Okay. So here, this is the link. I am pasting here. This is JDK link. Just once you click on this, you will be directed to this. Let me use the actually incognito mode so you can understand this. Once you click on this link, you'll come in this screen, right? You just need to click on download, okay, and click on download anyway. Okay, this will be downloaded. Once you download this, just install it. Okay, after installing it, it will be not working. Okay, because once you will after you install, just go in this command prompt, okay, and type java version. You will getting some error message here. Okay, I am getting that 1.8.0.5 is installed, but you will be getting some other message. If I have installed, then you will be getting right message like this, but if you are not installed, then you will getting the message incorrectly. Okay, so because we have not set up the java path yet, so how to set up path, java path, then first I will tell you this, and please note all the steps. Here I am in the machine. Okay, so just let me go to this PC. I am using Windows 10. If you are using older versions, then you will be facing other issues, right? Or if you are using the Mac OS, then the process is different. Right click here. I have to right click here in this PC and properties. Okay, then this window open. Okay, you will see the same window. I have actually 64-bit operating system, and I have shared JDK for that only. If you have 32-bit, then I will give you differently. Okay, so here who have all nowadays now normally 64-bit operating system. Okay, I will click on this advanced system setting, environment variables. Okay, and then here I have to search for path. This is the path. Okay, you need to click here new, right here path, and what path you have to paste here, just browse, go to C drive, right, and in C drive there is a program files, java jdk bin, and click open. Okay, or you can copy this and paste here. Okay, this is path. Normally when you install java, this will be your path, but some people normally what they do that, or the C drive will be corrupted, I have to reinstall, I have to format, so they install in other drive, so they have to give this that path where they have installed it. This is normal path. Okay, so if you are changing your path during the java installation, then change path here as well. Okay, and because I have already did this process, then I will not doing this other. You have to say java home, means this will be not, you will not able to search this. Okay, I am showing you that this is present in my screen, in my system, because I have already did that. In your case, you have to click on new and write java home in caps. Okay, and then you have to paste path till, just go to Windows C, program files, java, okay, and jdk, and this is your java home path. till here, means bin till here, this is JDK, right? Just like path, and till here before bin, this is Java home. So copy this and paste here and OK, right? So once you do this process, then you just need to close this after that and open it again, because it also need refresh. Okay, so you need to write here Java hyphen version and enter. Then, oh sorry, actually this was in caps, Java hyphen version, and you will be getting message like this. Okay, now if you are getting message like this, then you have correctly installed the Java. Okay, after that your Java will start working. Okay, so what next you have to do, install the Eclipse, and this is the Eclipse link. Please copy. Okay, once you click on this, you just have to extract it, and if you don't have any WinZip, then download 7-zip and extract this. Okay, and there will be a file like this. Once you will extract this, you'll be getting like this Eclipse. You will download this file. Once you extract this using any unzip software, just click extract here. This will be coming like here. Okay, and inside this you have to click on this Eclipse, double click on it, and it will be launched. Okay, I am showing you step by step what you have to do. Once you will do this, you are ready for coding. Okay, you just need to launch your Eclipse, give the workplace path, and then you will start coding. Okay, so these are the softwares I have instructed you. If you are having problem, then let me know. Okay, and watch recording if you face problem, otherwise reach out to me. But before next session, please complete this. Okay. Okay, now thing is that where you will get all codes. Okay, guys, I am giving 1 hour session for your upcoming queries, so please take it seriously, because in next session when I am teaching you something, when I am taking further sessions, like if you even in I have experience of these things, like even if I have started Selenium 1 month after the course, still people ask, sir, where are the recordings, sir, where are the assignments, or where are the other things, where are the codes. So that's why I am telling you today everything, that in these places you will get that. Just you have to create a notepad file, note all the things over there. Okay, so that you will not come in the questions, and I'll be focusing on the trainings only. Okay, so here this is your software installation part. Next part is that during this session, if I will cover something, write some code, so you need that code for practice, you need to see it again, because I have written comments over there that for your reference. Then where you will get that, you will get all those codes in GitHub account. Just I am giving you the link. This is the public URL I will be sharing to you. Okay, so if I am taking session, then this is the GitHub URL. Somehow if Sumit is taken your session, then he will provide his GitHub URL. Okay, this is mine. Okay, I hope you got it. Please note this. Okay, now I will also, Hemant, if you have enrolled for the course, then if you have paid the fees, then you will be added to Telegram group only. And I have multiple emails I have dropped to everybody. Even we have called to person, some people who not replied to our mails, that please join the link, this Telegram group. We called them, they received the call, and day after two day after they said that I have not got any mail, I have not received any call. So that's why I am telling you here, if anybody of you who have paid and not present in Telegram channel, first of the thing is you need to do, just go to your email box, just search over there, uh, Telegram group, or search there, please join to Telegram. Even I have dropped this kind of email. Okay, so if you have paid, then only you will be getting email. You will be included to that Telegram group. Otherwise, this is WhatsApp group, public WhatsApp group is present. Okay, so this is the actually GitHub URL. Also, I'll request everybody to join this Google Classroom because everything is present here. I'll also show you how much batches here. See, these much of batches I have taken, and in this batch, this is common public group for both of the batches. Here I have also given you the link. If you missed here in chat box, just go to this Google Classroom. I am sharing the link to join Google Classroom. Uh, this is the link. You need to log in with the Gmail ID and just click on this link. You will be joined to this Google Classroom. When this is not like WhatsApp group, this is not like please add me in Google Classroom. I cannot add you. I share you in the link. Now you are free to join. Okay. Uh, Now where you will get assignments and notes you will be getting in app also. But meanwhile, the app is under maintenance till 1 week. You will be getting notes, assignments, Java pre-requirements like this, and you can see who joined already present here. Can check yourself. Okay, if you not see your name, don't be confused because you'll not able to see your name. Okay, you'll be see other classmates of yours. Okay, so here just click on this link and you will see announcement section is this. This is actually your JDK, okay, and Eclipse link and JDK download link, okay. Now here I will edit this message and I will make it like this is your actually GitHub URL as well, okay, GitHub URL to get codes, okay. Now suppose I am here, so these are my repositories: Selenium framework, like collection topics, Selenium webinar. This is actually project name. So suppose I am training you here and proc is the your project name, so you will see your project name here, just go with that, okay. Don't think that where is my code, this is too much of written, but you just need to search your project name over here, right, and just go with that. And suppose I am here in collection, then src, this is actually class iterator example, and this is your code, whatever I have written. This is just to showing you that how will you get this, okay. So these are the three things that you will be keep asking, and I have given you Google Classroom. Please join. If you join just now, it will be more good, right. You can see that 8 of you have already joined, okay. Now I hope that this part is done from my side. This part is done. Okay. And now the thing is that if you have any query now, then you can ask me related to syllabus or anything. You can ask me. Okay. See, I have actually Windows system, so it needs actually system access to install there. But I will tell you the way where how you can go for that. Just I will share you this file. See, if I will go for this file, this is actually Java. Open in new link and go here. You will see you are using Mac OS, right? So you can go for this JDK. Okay, these two you can try. This is actually installer. Okay, so just like for Windows, you have to go for this bin.exe. For Mac OS, you have to go for this one. Okay, this is actually zip version. I'll not recommend this installer. You need to go, and this is the link. Okay, I'll provide this file as well in Classroom. Actually, already present in this Google Classroom. Let me, if not present, then let me upload this. Name is something different. Don't be confused with that. This is for common. This is common file. Okay, done. So you can check in Google Chrome. See, so simple. In one place you'll be getting everything. I don't have to send you again and again. Here it's present. You just join and access. Okay. So that's why please, whosoever is joining the class, please join this Google Classroom. It will be simple for me then and for you as well. Okay. Announcement will be here. Video recordings, notes, assignments will be on the app only. Be given access of recordings to enrolled people only. Otherwise, here we are here to learn. Okay, and first few session everybody is joining, but not will in other sessions. Okay, so this is from my side. Google Classroom first. Let's not do this today. Let reinstall all things. Anybody else facing same problems? Yeah, of course. Recording will be given up just after the class. And if you face any problem installing the system, then you need to ping in Telegram channel. Meanwhile, if you have not enrolled, then you can ping in WhatsApp group. Whosobody enrolled need to ping on the Telegram group. I have already added. If you yeah, so you which system you are using, that you have to take care of. Suppose if you are using 64-bit operating system, then only my given software will be working. Suppose how then it will be working. It is not working in your case. Okay, okay. This is, guys, this is 2 hour session. If you have same configuration like me, just share your screen. I can help you out just now, because this 2 hour session we are doing what, so you can download and install. So in next session we can focus on the coding. No problem. If you don't have, you can do up later on. Yeah, Aniket. Is it working? That's working as of now. That's working. Java is working in that. Yeah, that I know. That I know that you will be facing over there. Chrome driver, maybe driver will not be the problem there. Other problems will be coming. Chrome driver problem will be coming just because of the version. You'll be getting error like just show me your skin if you have. Then if you can share your skin. I stop sharing. You just share. Otherwise, I will recommend you to use whatever version I have given. Such problems should not come. We should focus to learning in coding only. Yeah, I can see. Unable to create remote session, desired capabilities. Okay. Show me where you have installed the Chrome driver. Just go to, please close it. Just go to the code. Which is your project? Fab 2 or New J? Explore this. Explore this. GRE. Okay. You have not to actually present those Selenium libraries. Okay. So, where is this Selenium libraries? No, no, no. You have to first configure those, no, right? Just close this. Just come to project. Collapse it. Just GRE system library. Collapse it. Reference libraries. Just expand this next one. No, no, no. You need, yeah, next one. No, no, no. These are the not right one libraries. Let me share you the screen. Okay. We have not started the Selenium session, but if you are trying, then quickly I will do it for you. See, this is the link, okay, and this is the link, okay. I will give it to you. Go here and just click on this one, not this alpha download. I hope that you have clicked on alpha download, right? Just okay. Then what we no, no, let's do it today because what happens, Selenium will be coming after a month. Okay, so if you are trying, you should not stop. My agenda is complete for today. Okay, so here everybody will be learning something not like that. Okay, so I hope that nobody will mind this because after this session I have some work, so maybe I will not able to join. That's why just do it on your time. Okay, so please share your screen. Just if you have downloaded, let me show. Please show that where you have downloaded. Just import this. What you need to do, see, after exporting the things, let me show you first. Just this I have downloaded. Copy, paste somewhere no garbage present. Like suppose I paste in this UGC net folder, okay, and suppose I pasted over here, okay, and just right click, send, and then 7-zip extract here, okay. Then what you need to do, these two libraries and inside this lib folder, these are fine. You just need to right click in your project, properties, java build path, libraries, add external jars, and just go to back again where you have actually put, and these two open, and then libraries, and then now your code will be working, I hope, because that may be just because of this reason, because you don't have Selenium libraries correctly, okay. Okay, so anybody have any query related to software installation part, please complete in this week only, so that week in next week we can start working. Okay, so next week agenda and next 2 week agenda I'll be sharing to you. Next 3 week agenda, what we are going to cover, you will be getting in the Excel file. You can fetch that and you can follow that. Okay, just come with some learning, and then here you will can ask question if I am giving something to you. Okay guys, so this is from my side for today.